Okay guys, so good morning. So welcome back to our channel. So the last time guys na nag-vlog tayo is, it's been a while guys, no? So last time pag-vlog ko is we have these two batteries. So what we did is nung nag-photograph tayo sa Sipalay, madali siyang nalubat, siguro mga more than an hour lang. So nalubat na siya kaagad. The good thing about is bumili tayo guys ng extra na battery. Ito siya. Yan. So, hindi ko na siya na-unbox lately. But it's working guys. So, we have now a total of 3 batteries. Yan. Yan. So, while charging the other 2, we have this one. So, once full na yung 2, so we will use it. And this one is backup. Okay? But today guys, we will be unboxing this one kasi we have this original charger ng Nikon DT500 stock battery charger niya. So isa lang siya guys. So we invested sa additional na charger so that we can extend, especially if mag-video tayo guys. Kasi we will leaning towards videography. So, ito yung pang charge natin. Fast charger ito guys. Yan. So, I think we purchased this one for less than 300 pesos. So, wala siyang charger. Pero meron mo siyang micro USB. No? Meron siyang micro USB. Yan. So, may kasama sa micro USB. Ito guys, this one. Yeah. So Andoer yung brand, digital. Yan o. So salpak mo dito yung dalawang battery. So solid yung yung item. So check natin if it's working. Huh? Yan. So lagay na natin dito. Then we have a charger here. You can use any charger guys. Yan. So currently, it's lighting up, no? Diba? Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. So once we plug it in, yan. Off ko muna yung lights sa camera ko. Yan. So once we connect the battery, yan. So nag-on siya guys. So lagay natin yung battery. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Yan. Okay. So makikita nyo ba? Yan. So let me try another one. So that is currently full charge guys. Yan, isa pa. Makikita nyo. Yan. So, yung itong isa, nag-charge siya. Yan. So, libog ko to. Yung nag-charge. Ang full charge na. Try natin to. Yan. So, dalawa sila nag-charge ngayon. Yan. Yan. Solid. So, it's working guys. So, I'll just take a picture. No? Yan. So, okay na to guys. So, I'll just take a picture and I'll share it sa video. Okay? So, yan. So, ang coming natin na items guys is yung matte box para sa videography para ilagay natin dito. And we have ano ba? Ano ba yung mga coming items natin? We have yan lang. So, parang yan lang. Check ba? Hot box. Yung sling para dito guys. Nabili tayo ng sling. Kasi ito, mahirap siya guys kunin yung sling. So we purchased a hook para salpak na natin pag gamitin natin ito. And then also we have the B800 coming. Alright. So that's it for today guys. So as you can see, okay naman yung ano niya, yung charging niya, you know. So output niya is 4.2/0.35 volts at 6 ampere, you know. Diba? Yan. And then yung second is 8.4. Input is 5 volts ito, and then 10 watts. Yeah. So Andoer yung brand guys, made in China by Andoer. Very slick yung design guys. Magamit ko talaga to, fast charging to. So pag original na ito guys, pag original na charger, isa lang talaga masalpak mo or magagamitan mo. Unlike dito na dalawa. Alright, so thank you.